Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're talking about maximization of the utility function for perfect substitute goods, okay? Now, my name is Santiago Leon and I'm gonna explain three concepts before we explain the concept in other terms. So, I want to talk about, first of all, of maximization. Maximizing is taking advantage of everything else possible of one basket or good. Okay, guys? So, utility. What is utility? Utility is the benefit that we obtain from a good. And perfect substitute goods, it's when the consumer or the customer want to have everything of one basket instead of the other one, okay? So, for this occasion, we're going to take example of perfect substitute goods, okay? Then, here is the consumer, and this is her utility function, 2x plus 4y, and in this occasion, the goods, the perfect substitute goods are gonna be rice instead of fries, okay? So for this customer, it's more utility, spend all his resources, his income in fries instead of the other one, that is rice, okay? So his income, his resources are 20, the price of X is 4, and the price of Y is 2, okay? Then we start with this formula, and Y it's equal then M, the income, the resources of the customer, divided of the price of Y. That it's less than the price of X divided of the price of Y, that then X, okay? So in first place, we're gonna verify where is the slope of income of the customer, okay? So this is the example of what I'm talking about. Then you can see the utility function and M and the price of X and Y that represents rice and fries, okay? Remember that. So in this case, we have that this point, it's the price of X instead of the price of Y, okay? I'm gonna explain this, so be careful. For the letter X, we have to take the income, 20, and divide it to the price of the and divided of the price of X, okay? So 20 divided in 4, that give us 5, okay? And then you make the same but with Y, and then you have this log of income that you see in orange in the graph, okay? So what do we do right now? We need to compare the prices against the alpha and beta. Alpha and beta are the numbers that are in the sides of the X and Y. Okay, so it's 2 and 4. So as you can see, the prices are bigger, not less than alpha and beta. So then with these values, we can find this utility that are you watching here in the left. Okay, so first of all, we need to verify this utility that we're watching here, and then we take this utility, it's equal then it's utility of x and y, but where we are now and the perfect substitute woods can be equal at this time. What what I mean, so the customer prefer to spend all his income, his resources in Y, in fries. So we don't consume anything of X, then it's equal to 0. And then we have the formula of the utility that it's equal to 14. Then you have to equal all both the formulas. So we have 14, it's equal to 2x plus 4y. And then we have the formula and have the formula from y, okay? So watch here. Y it's 10 less 1 divided 2 of x, right? Then you have that and you ask yourself, when x it's equal to 10, y it's equal to who? To what, actually? So y it's equal to 5. And you're placing that in that equation, okay? So is that line, it's a curve of blue that symbolize the maximum utility. So for each one rice that the customer or the consumer don't consume, it consumes 4 more of rice. Okay, that's the conclusion of maximizing the functional utility for perfect substitutes. Okay.